Come on, kids, let's get ready.
Mom, cheerleader, biggest fan. On game day, your most important job is getting him there.
Hold on, guys, I'm gonna see what's going on, okay?
But sometimes the road throws a detour in your game plan.
Jamie's Tire and Service.
Hi. Yeah, I'm on my way to my son's soccer game and my tire went flat. Could you guys help me?
Absolutely.
When every second counts, you need a team that moves as fast as you do. At Jamie's Tire and Service, we know you aren't just trying to get back on the road. You're trying to get back to what matters. Because some moments you just can't afford to miss. Jamie's Tire and Service will keep you in the game.